In this video, we're talking about Capricorns, and out of all the zodiac signs, which is the best pair when it comes to sex? We're about to find that out, coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell real quick while I do the Dougie. When paired with Aries, this pair experiences a lot of difficulty when it comes to sexual compatibility. They would either attack each other or stay safe at a distance. When paired with Tauruses, this pair can be extremely in trouble if Capricorn does not fall in love with Taurus. But once it happens, the fun starts. Both can be very rigid, but that's what makes them perfect. When paired with Gemini, Capricorns need to be relaxed, open-minded when it comes to sex. They can feel that Geminis are childish when it comes to sex, only because that they do not value the same traditional style when it comes to sex. When paired with Cancer, though they are completely opposite, there is a strong sexual connection between these two. Cancer can create the intimacy that Capricorn is looking for, and Capricorn has the patience that Cancer needs. When paired with Leo, I wish I can say that they try, but the way how they try to express themselves, especially sexually to each other, may not work out properly. When paired with Virgo, if this pair wasn't so friggin' strict, it would be so much fun. But once they're able to understand each other, then I guess it'll be worth it. Understand each other meaning understanding each other's needs and extending other challenge desires. It could happen. When paired with Libra, if the lack of attraction does not stop these two people, then something else will. One of the most damaging things about this is their self-esteem. Once that's damaged, everything is just gonna flop and go downhill. Everything is gonna be burned. We're not gonna have no fun. When dealing with Scorpios, the physical trait of a Capricorn is what Scorpio needs. However, being too sensitive and emotional can ruin the whole thing. When paired with Sagittarius, do you want to go ugh when it comes to sexual relations? Well, this is the pair for you. Capricorn wants things fast, while Sagittarius wants things slow. When paired with another Capricorn, two Capricorns in a relationship means that they have a very high libido, a very strong sex drive. Problem is, they don't know how to please each other. They either know what to do without exchanging much words, or they'll be butting heads constantly until they figure it out. When paired with Aquarius, it is very rare to have an Aquarius wait for a Capricorn to make a detailed plan, especially in the bedroom. This can turn off Capricorns because they love to do things carefree, hassle-free. When paired with Pisces, this is probably one of the best pairs for sex. One being very strict and rational, and the other one being very emotional and confident. The longer that they stay together, the stronger the stability, trust, and emotional excitement they would be. If you enjoy this quick factual horoscope video, I do have others that you can check out. Consider checking them out. See what you like. You might learn something. You might figure out something and go, I want to try something out. That sounds very interesting. But with all due respect, make sure you have safe sex. Please practice safe sex. Thank you very much. Welcome to my TED Talk. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Till next time, matane.